In creative drama, within the context of educational objectives, students engage in improvisations and role-playing based on their own experiences and experiences they imagine might happen. The goal here is not to perform in front of an audience, but to rather provide learning experiences to the students with the help of theatre techniques. In this video, we will explain some techniques and approaches in creative drama to you, including improvisation, role-playing, and the use of props and costumes. First, let us look at improvisation. Improvisation can be described as the spontaneous enactment of roles. This means that students, individually or in groups, need to instantly react to a situation or event without the help of any pre-written script, as these do not exist in creative drama. In this way, students need to use their creativity and imagination to create spontaneous dialogues and actions. Because of creative drama being based on improvisations, students have the freedom to decide where the play is going. They need to be able to react quickly to the new changes their classmates introduce to the creative drama, and they have to be able to adapt themselves to the emotions and actions their classmates show. Improvisation in creative drama does have one limit, as the creative drama needs to reach the objectives determined by the teacher or the instructor and stay within the topic the session is broaching. The aspect of improvisation in a creative drama is very beneficial for students, as it helps them expand their vocabulary and facilitates fluent speech. It can also prepare them for real-life situations, as it allows them to imagine and interpret situations that they may encounter in real life, as well as teaches them to react quickly and adequately to new situations. Now, we will look at the role-playing aspect of a creative drama. Role-playing is another essential part of the creative drama. Here, students take on a different personality and express their own emotions and thoughts, or the emotions and thoughts they associate with this personality. As mentioned before, the roles can either be outlined by the teacher or created by the students themselves. Role-playing has positive aspects for the students. First of all, students gain skills in expressing and controlling emotions and thoughts, identifying problems, generating different solutions, and approaching events from different perspectives. They also learn how to empathize and to step into the shoes of other people. Students may gain experiences by rehearsing different problems or situations that they might encounter in real life. An essential part of role-playing is the development of the characters. For this, the students need to respect certain aspects. Firstly, they need to analyze their characters. This is, essentially, the stepping into the shoes that teachers should encourage the students do with the characters they are going to play. Here, the students have to understand the character's identity, emotional state, and motivations. They have to consider the important characteristics that shape their character, including how they behave, their identity, their personality, their desires, their fears, their past, their beliefs, their future dreams, and how they interact with others. By analysing their characters, the students get to know them, which enables to improvise with them. Visualization is also an important aspect. Here, the students imagine how the character dresses and how they gesture, speak, and move. They then try to mirror this behavior while they act. Another aspect are the interactions with other characters and their dialogues. Interactions between the characters influence the progression of the story. Building strong connections between the characters and creating natural and realistic dialogues is essential to make the creative drama interesting and valuable. While doing this, the students need to constantly keep in mind what they established about their character during the character analysis, so that their character remains consistent. The character arc is another essential aspect of the students' characters. This describes how the characters are at the beginning of the creative drama and how they change throughout the creative drama. Students should take this feature into account to give their characters emotional depth and to make them more realistic. This aspect also challenges students to think further and to immerse themselves into their characters to be able to create a realistic and fitting character arc. A final aspect is the inner monologue and the thoughts of the character. Inner monologues are imagined to understand the character's inner worlds. They can also become a part of the creative drama through monologues, or if the characters start discussing their ideas and emotions concerning the topic. This enhances the depth of the creative drama, as well as the overall experiences of the role-playing. Concluding, role-playing and improvisation techniques are fundamental in creative drama. With these techniques, students face imaginary situations and develop their own characteristics such as imagination, creativity, problem-solving, and social skills. There are some other creative drama techniques that connect improvisation and role-playing. One of these techniques is flashback. Here, through improvisation, the students further develop the experiences their character has had to give their character more depth and to explain why their character is the way they are. In this way, the students provide clues to the current situation while giving more information about the personality of their characters. Another creative drama technique is role reversal. This works best if two students are acting out the creative drama. Every time the teacher or the instructor yells switch or change, the students need to switch roles and adapt and develop the new role through improvisations. This technique is especially useful to teach teamwork, communication, and empathy, as the students need to work together closely. They, on the one hand, need to develop the characters while they are playing them, and communicate what they are doing clearly so that their partner understands what they are trying to convey. On the other hand, they, through the use of empathy, need to pay close attention to what their partner is doing to be able to understand their intentions. Thus, the teamwork skills are improved. Another drama technique is the interview. Here, students have to enact an interview where one student or more are being interviewed. This encourages students to further develop their characters as they need to quickly, through improvisation, answer the questions from the perspective of their characters. Meanwhile, the interviewers need to pay close attention so that they can think of follow-up questions they will then ask their classmates. To be able to perform a creative drama well and enhance the fun the students are experiencing, props and costumes can be used. The teacher or the students can prepare props and costumes for their creative drama with non-professional and easily accessible materials. Props can be used as decoration. The students can, for example, use differently coloured patterned fabrics or bed sheets to decorate the walls. They can also draw things on cardboard or on colourful papers to create simple objects such as trees, clouds, or animals. Students can also use other things that can normally be found in classrooms, such as chairs or desks. On the other hand, the costumes can include simple accessories, such as hats, clothes, glasses, or bags, to enhance the creative drama experience and to emphasize the character's personality. It is important to remember that if a prop or a costume is not available, the teachers should encourage students to find creative ways to replace the prop or the costume, or to achieve it with non-professional and creative solutions. Thank you for paying attention to this video, and I hope you now understand the role-playing, improvisation, and the use of props and costumes better within the creative drama context.